What is proof of work? Proof of work is a model where a transaction only gets processed if consensus is reached. The beauty of blockchain is that it is not controlled by one single person. So this means that changing data on the chain will be impossible. Let me give you an example. If John pays Samantha 50 bitcoins, every miner knows that John's balance goes down and Samantha's balance goes up. If a hacker is trying to change this data, all the miners will immediately see this change in real time. Since all the information is transparent on the chain, everyone can see that the hacker changed the data. So if only one miner out of millions doesn't approve it, it will automatically get rejected. This is the power of proof of work. It is transparent, fair, efficient, and reliable. Another security of proof of work is that every miner has the historical data of the Bitcoin transactions. So if you want to change some data in a block, it will automatically change the hash number of that block. Since all blocks in the blockchain have a unique hash number and are connected with each other, the system will automatically see that the original hash number has changed and reject the change of the hacker. This happens in real time, so double spending is out of the charts. This is the power of the Bitcoin network. It is protected and controlled by its own people. This is Crypto Simplified. See you in the next video. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and investing, follow my course. It's completely free.